Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best drawing tablets that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Wacom Cintiq Pro 24. This tablet has a pretty cool design and the tablet itself measures 26.65 by 15.5 inches and it is designed to sit on a desk and be sure to have space for it. Compared to other all-in-ones, this one feels and looks very chunky, but it is a professional drawing tablet, so that justifies the decision of building it like this. It is very comfortable to work with, and it has a very solid built quality. It has a great rear stand that doesn't move around. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 comes with the Pro Pen 2, like the Cintiq 16, and it offers a perfect 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, which is amazing. The pen delivers the best drawing experience in the market, as it is super accurate and is extremely versatile working with a wide range of software. At number 4, Wacom Intuos CTL4100. The drawing surface of the Intuos CTL4100 is 7.9 x 6.3 inches large that is pretty generous, and on top of it, you will find 5 express keys that have a convex shape to double its function for resting the pen. The middle button works as a power button and is also helpful for setting up the Bluetooth connection. You can customize the other 4 buttons depending on your preference and needs. The pen, on the other hand, is just amazing. It feels great in hand, and on its side you will find 2 buttons that can be customized to your liking. It is a well-built tablet and it is made from a smooth plastic that feels excellent and will fit right into your office desk or home studio. Underneath you will find 4 rubber pads that will provide grip so the tablet won't slide around. At number 3, Wacom PTH660P Intuos Pro Paper Edition Digital Graphic Drawing Tablet. Wacom Intuos Pro Paper Edition lets you choose how you work. You can draw in ink on your preferred paper with our 0.4 mm fine-tip pen and capture every stroke in real time, ready to edit in your favorite software. You don't need to be connected to a computer or the internet. It'll store up to 200 sketches, ready for you to sync to your computer, in raster or vector formats, using the Wacom Inkspace app. Then you can digitally refine, finish your artwork on your computer in your favorite creative software with your Wacom Intuos Pro and Wacom Pro Pen 2. If you prefer a direct-to-digital workflow, connect Wacom Intuos Pro Paper Edition to your Mac or Windows PC. Grab your Wacom Pro Pen 2 and work digitally from start to finish. At number 2, UGEE 708 V2 Graphics Drawing Tablet. The UGEE 708 Graphic Drawing Tablet features 10 by 6 inch large active drawing space with papery texture surface, provides enormous and smooth drawing for your digital artwork creation, offers natural no-lag sketch, painting experience, battery-free precise pen stylus with 8192 pressure sensitivity allows you to draw accurate lines of any weight and opacity according to the pressure you apply to the pen. Sharper line with light pressure and thick line with hard pressure, perfect for artistry design or unique brush effect for photo retouching. Compatible with Windows 7 August 10 and Mac OS 10.8.0 or above. Driver program works with creative software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Fireworks, Macromedia Flash, Comic Studio, Psy, Infinite Stratus, 3D Max, Autodesk Maya, Pixelogic ZBrush and more. Finally at number 1, Wacom DTC133W0A1 Digital Drawing Tablet with Screen. Experience the power of the pen. Wacom One is a drawing tablet with screen for all creative uses, a seamless experience, whether at home, work or play. Sign documents digitally, view a phone app on a bigger screen, quickly take notes, sketch, paint or edit photos. The 13.3 HD screen is ready to go and comes with creative software to get you started. Use the Wacom One pen or get a digital pen from a range of leading brands to customize your experience. Everyone from creative beginners to digital natives will appreciate the simple way in which Wacom One can be used as an extension of Mac, Windows PC and Android smartphones for drawing, gaming, or office productivity applications. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.